So let's get started. Import your image in Photoshop. And now cut the main object without background. I am just using Photoshop 2021 AI to remove background quickly. After it done, now create a new solid color layer and select whatever color you needed and drag the layer below the image. Now import your another image that you are going to use for double exposure effect. Decrease the opacity of the image into 50%. Now adjust the image according to your needs. After you're done, now make the opacity into 100 again and right-click on the layer and click Create New Clipping Mask. Now click on Add Mask of that layer. Duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl+J. And create clipping mask of the duplicate layer also. Hide the eye icon of the below layer and select the mask of the duplicate layer. Now select Brush Tool. And make sure the foreground color is black. Now just erase the unwanted part of your image. I am just changing the solid color layer to some other color for temporary. Use different types of brush according to your creations. So there we go. We have done. So if you like this video, give a thumbs up. And subscribe our channel. Don't forget to comment below the tutorials you needed. Peace.